Good morning, tubers. It's Little Hipster. I'm up early today because Sarah and Joseph are going to come over for a little band powwow / writing session a little bit later, around noon or so. So I just had to wake up early and get some dishes done and clean house just a little bit before they come over. And I was mentioning to you last night that I was going to try to find a little quiet time and do some songwriting and stuff. Well, I have this one idea for a song, and I didn't get, like, any ideas last night, and I think it was because I was so tired, too. So now I'm sitting here with the pen and paper, trying to, I don't know, just think of some lyrics or something. Like, this is what I really struggle with. This is what I hate about songwriting. Like, you get an idea that will only last you, like, as far as the chorus, and then that's where your idea stops. Oh, who's texting me? Anyways, that's where my idea stops, and then after that I can't think of anything else, and then I'm just stuck with this chorus in my brain for years. You know, and literally that's how long this song has been in my brain, for years, and I just can't get past it. Yeah, I'm just gonna try and write down whatever comes to my brain and see if maybe when Joseph gets here with the guitar and starts, you know, doing a chord progression, maybe something else won't come of it, and maybe Sarah will have some ideas lyrically too. So who knows? We'll see. Writing struggles. Oh man, I've been a busy bee today. So Sarah and Joseph came over, we had a wonderful rehearsal, really got some stuff together, so be excited for what the Emma Tree is going to be doing in the next few months, because it's going to be awesome. But that rehearsal lasted like 3 hours of my day, something like that. And then after that I had a bunch of computer work to do. I still got to get yesterday's video edited and uploaded by midnight tonight. And I got to go to Publix and get the money order before they close. Plus it's about to storm outside and I'm on a scooter, so you know that's a problem. Yeah, today is just like a race against the sands of time. I feel real pressured, so let's turn this camera off and let's go get the money order and let's get all my stuff done, because wow. I made it here to Publix without getting rained on, but do you see this? Do you see that angry over there in the sky behind the grocery store? There's a lot more of it behind the actual store, and it's about ready to rain a big angry storm on us. So yeah, I'm gonna get in here and get this money order and maybe grab some food and try to get home quickly. Life on a scooter, that's the way it is. Where is the scooter at? We made it before the big angry storm in the sky decided to like descend upon us all. Alrighty. Oh my gosh, but it's getting closer. Do you see all that behind me? I made it home before the rain started. Haha, in your face, thunderstorm. You didn't defeat me. Hee hee hee. I got some peanut butter and jelly sandwiches from Publix, so I'm real excited because that's like one of my favorite vegan things to eat of all time. I just eat them all the time. And like, I don't know about you guys, tell me in the comments below, but when you see this, do you go back for the twist tie, or do you do something different? Because I'll tell you, I'm totally like a spin and tuck girl. I don't bother with the twist ties because I just think it's pointless. I'm just gonna open the bread again in like half an hour to make another sandwich. So tell me in the comments below, are you a twist tie person or are you a spin and tuck? Because I'm a spin and tuck. This is my favorite kind of jelly too for PB&J. Apricot jelly. Oh, it's so good. And apricot is actually my favorite fruit. Some of you are probably like, it's pronounced apricot. I say apricot because I'm from Kansas and that's just how everybody in my family says it. I like the apricot jelly. This is the only peanut butter I have right now. It's like this organic peanut butter, and I'm trying it out, but honestly, it's real confusing to me because it's the kind with like the oil on the top, and I don't know. I'm puzzled by this stuff because it's incredibly messy, and it's impossible to like churn it and mix it all up. So I still don't feel like I know how to use this stuff. If you guys know, tell me, because like, do I just dig to the bottom and like bring up all the solid stuff like through the oil without mixing it? Like, is that how it's done? I don't know. This kind of peanut butter confuses me. I'm used to Peter Pan, quite frankly. After this is done, I think I might just go back to my Peter Pan because it's what I like and it's familiar. You put this peanut butter on, and then like, it's like freaking melting ice cream off the side. It's good, but that's not the consistency I'm like used to. I'm sitting here like, oh my God, it's dripping. I don't understand you, peanut butter. It's peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, and a peach sweet tea. I am walking again. I told you in my last video, I like walk all over the place, which is a good thing, I guess. Kind of gives me some exercise. Today has been really stormy, but it has like yet to rain. My favorite time at the beach is when it's all stormy. Oh my God, who is it? My favorite, car's gonna run me over. My favorite, I keep trying to say something. My favorite time at the beach is when it's all like stormy and stuff like that. I was kind of hoping to go to the beach and get some really nice pretty shots for y'all, but I don't know if I'm gonna get exactly what I want because the storm still appears to be like hanging out back there and not forward in front of me. Made it to the beach without getting rained on. This is what it looks like over here where I'm at, which is fine and everything, but the thing that I really like is over there. You see where the storm is? Do you see it? Do you see the storm? My best friend Sarah, she calls me a villain because I like things like thunderstorms and Scar from The Lion King. So she calls me a villain, which I guess makes some sense. Here's a shot of like the whole entire storm right here. It's so beautiful. Storm's coming in. It almost feels like it's gonna come in right on top of me here. Oh, there's a big lightning bolt. I missed it. All right, so it is now 9 o'clock. A lot of you probably don't know this. Exactly a year ago today, I took a scooter journey from Nashville, Tennessee, right here to Florida. And that's when I moved here. And it was about this time, exactly a year ago, my scooter journey was finally over and I was finally here. I'm just trying to kind of look back on the year and kind of like recall some of it for you. When I first arrived here in Florida on my scooter, I think the first thoughts in my brain were, I miss Nashville already. I hope I can adjust to this. And I hope everything works out. And if it doesn't work out, then I'm just gonna make it work out, I guess. Sarah will probably agree with me on this. Sarah, if you're watching, I know you agree with me on this. The past 365 days have probably been the roughest year of my entire life. And Sarah, if you're watching, I'm so glad that you've been here with me through it all, because there's just no way that I would have been able to get through the things that we've had to go through without you. And I love you, and I'm still going, and I'm still here. Some things that have changed since I've moved to Florida. You can probably tell if you go back and watch my videos from about a year ago. I've lost some weight, that's for sure. I mean, I was never particularly fat to begin with, but I've definitely slimmed down, and I think it's probably because I've been eating vegan more in this past year than I ever had before. I'm tanner, that is for sure. My dreadlocks are a lot longer. Everything's crazy. It kind of reminds me of that little segment of that song Time Marches On by Tracy Lawrence. Only thing stays the same is everything changes, everything changes. And that's so true, so true. Only thing that stays the same is everything changes. Time marches on. Truth bomb. All right, all YouTubers out there, it's time for me to say goodnight. Thank you so much for watching me today. I had a lot of fun, and I sure hope that you did too. I sure do hope that you had a good day. If you would like to, please take a moment to subscribe. I would just so love that if you would subscribe to me and jump on the love train with us. Woo woo! I make a new video every day, so there's always something new for you to watch. I also do some of the same stuff every day, so if you need structure and consistency in your life, I can provide that as well. You can also follow me on Facebook at facebook.com/lilhipster, and I am also on Twitter, Tumblr, and Instagram under Lil Hipster as well, just exactly the way I spell it here. So, lots of places for you to see me and become my friend. So, take advantage of that. What else did I want to say? I think that's it. Thank you guys so much. Have a great night. Don't forget to eat your fruits and vegetables. Bye-bye. Peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, and a peach sweet tea. Take two. Peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, and a peach sweet tea.